Not every problem you find is a bug. Here's how to recognize what not to submit. Setup and environment issues. Wrong link or credentials. The access URL returns 404 or provided credentials don't work. Failed download or installation. The app cannot be downloaded or installed. Proxy or VPN not enabled. You see 403 or 1020 errors because you haven't enabled the required proxy or VPN. Tool and browser interference. Ad blocker or extensions interfering. Your ad blocker or extensions block content or alter the UI. Disable the tool and retest. Only report if the issue persists on a clean setup. Google Translate issues. Chrome's auto-translate can overlay text or break layouts. Disable it before recording. Report only if the issue reproduces with translation off. Browser validation artifacts. Red spell check squiggles or HTML5 input constraints are browser behavior, not bugs. Content cases. Spelling mistakes on staging. Typos or dummy text are expected unless explicitly allowed. Placeholder images are intentional. Only report broken images with failed loads or 404 icons. Quick checklist. Does the issue come from setup? Is any tool causing it? Is it expected validation or placeholder content? For any of these, report to your team leader in test chat instead of submitting.